Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see one of the interesting component called interactive report. So what is interactive report? In the previous videos, you have seen the interactive grids. So in interactive grids, you can enter the details, you can edit the details, view the details, everything in a tabular format. The same thing here also is achievable, but you cannot enter or edit the details in the component itself. You need a separate form for editing the thing. You can just interact with the report like sorting, or you can filter. So those kind of functionalities users can do on this report, but they cannot edit the data directly within this component. So that is a major difference between interactive grid and interactive report. So in this video we are going to see interactive report, how to create and how to achieve that. So let us begin. So in this application I just created a page interactive report with a page ID 14. In this report I am going to create a new component. So I'm just right clicking region. In the region I'm just naming it as interactive report. Title also interactive report. Type as, you just select interactive report. So here in the source you can select table or view or SQL query. So I am going to select table or view. In the table I am going to select the table name as employees. So after selecting the table I got the columns of the table. So now I am going to save this and I am going to run this report. So I'm just logging in. So you can see this is the interactive report. So department ID, employee ID, name, designation, age and salary, these are the columns available in the employees table, and this is the employee interactive report. So in this you cannot edit this. So I am double clicking on this. So you cannot edit this report directly. So but in interactive grid you can, if you double click on this, you can edit those records. This is the major difference between interactive grid and interactive report. So now the same thing we can achieve. What are the features are available? First of all, here you can see designation. Here designation I need a full name. So for that I'm just going to this. These are the columns. Just select that column. Here you can see heading. Heading is whatever name you are giving, that heading will be appeared in the output. And you can give the alignments like left alignment, right or center alignment. The same thing for a body also you will be having your layout. So left alignment, right alignment and center alignment. These features are available to align your contents. Now I'm just running this. You see now designation, you got the name what you have mentioned. Now I need this age to be centered. For that you can select the age, go here, under heading column select the column as center align. If you make only these changes, then only the heading will be centered, but the data will be on the right align. You need to make both the heading and the data. So you need to select this second layout alignment also. Now you can check the heading and the content is both the center align. So these are the things you can achieve. So now we are going to look what are the features are available. For example, in the under actions button you will have different options what you have seen in the interactive grid. So the column if you click on this column, you will get a pop-up dialog. In that you can select the different columns present in the table. For example, in the output I am getting this designation column, but now I no need to show the designation. I need hide this, so that you can select this and click on this arrow, then it will be added in the do not display section. So these are the display section, these are do not display section. The columns which is on the right display section will be shown in the output. The column which is on the left will not be shown in the output. So after selecting what are the major things, you can also reorder. For example, salary should be at the first before the age column. So like this you can rearrange, and clicking on the apply, the changes will be applied. See here, the salary is before the age column and the designation column is hidden. After doing this, you need to save this report, then only the applied changes will be reflected. So after selecting, I am going to save. So how to save? So go to the report, save report. Now here you need to select as default report setting and primary. So now this report is saved. That is the purpose of this column. So you can rearrange the column, you can hide and show the columns. And the filter is used to filter the things. For example, on filtering, I need to department ID, or the maybe if I am going to fetch the salary details or age details. For example, I am going to fetch the employees whose age is greater than maybe 30. Greater than 30, I am just searching. So now only the employees whose age is greater than or equal to 30. So those employees records are fetched here. Here you can see this filter. If you want to hide this filter, you can click on this checkbox. Now the filter will be removed. So if you want to apply this filter, you can click on this filter. Now the filter will be applied on that. So if you want to remove this filter completely, then you can click on this X button to remove that or delete that filter completely. So now I am just saving this in the primary report. So these are the options like columns, filter we have seen in this video. So in the next video we will see the remaining options. Thank you.